What if I told you you could retire in your 30s and spend the rest of your life traveling the world? Sounds impossible, right? Well, what if I told you it's happening right now, to people just like you? This is not a dream. It's the FIRE movement, Financial Independence Retire Early. In this video, I'm going to use step-by-step how to create a blueprint for retiring early and traveling full-time. But here's the twist. It's not about being rich, it's about being smart. It all starts with one decision: to live below your means. Meet Sarah and John. Just 5 years ago, they were buried in student loans and living paycheck to paycheck. Fast forward to today, and they're traveling full-time, exploring countries like Japan, Mexico, and Australia, completely debt-free. So how did they do it? They embraced the FIRE principles: cutting expenses, saving aggressively, and investing wisely. But here's the catch. You don't need to make millions to retire early. Small sacrifices today lead to incredible freedom tomorrow. Cut the daily lattes, skip the fancy car, invest every spare dollar. Sarah and John started by saving just 10% of their income, then 20%. Soon they were living on less than half their earnings, putting everything else into investments. And that's when the magic started to happen. Now here's the secret sauce: investing smart. You don't need to gamble on the stock market or become a real estate tycoon. Low-cost index funds and rental properties were all Sarah and John needed to set themselves up for life. But what they didn't expect was how much they would change. FIRE isn't just about money. It's about reclaiming your time, your relationships, and your passions. At first, they thought retiring early was about escaping work. But the real freedom came when they realized they could design the life they wanted. No bosses, no deadlines, just endless adventure. So how can you follow in their footsteps? The blueprint is simple, but the journey takes dedication. Slash expenses, save aggressively, invest wisely, reach financial independence. Then, watch as your life transforms. The question is, how far are you willing to go to change your life? The power is in your hands. Are you ready to take the leap? Comment below. If you could retire early, where would you travel first? Let me know your dreams. And don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing tips like these.